Hello everyone, I am Mitali Singla. Before starting with my introduction, I would really like to thank the entire team of TK Jasbat to provide me with this wonderful opportunity to reach you all. Um, I'm very thankful to all my audience and the entire team as well. Thank you. So, about me, I'm not a professional writer as such. I just write from my heart, like the real incidents that are happening in my life. And sometimes I write by imagining the situations, like putting me in different situations. Like I'll, I kind of like that is fun. Uh, I like planning down my notes, planning down my thoughts as well. It's just that I feel like writing is the only thing where you can express all your views. Uh, and of course, I write to express, not to impress. So that's pretty good. The piece today I'm presenting is on dad. I hope you will really like that piece. So here it goes. ओके पापा एक चार अक्षरों का शब्द बोलने में तो आसान है सबसे पर इस एक शब्द से जो जुड़ी उम्मीद जिम्मेदारी है बहुत ऊपर है वो मेरी सोच से एक पिता जो दिन रात बस सोचता है अपने बच्चों की खुशी के बारे में काम करते हैं वो दिन रात चाहते बस एक मुस्कुराहट है सबके चेहरे पे कर सकते हैं वो कुछ भी अपनी ज़िंदगी बच्चों के बनाने के लिए अपनी हर ख्वाहिश को भुलाकर वो पूरा करते हैं हर एक मांग अपने बच्चों की कभी खुद के लिए कुछ नहीं लाते वो बस वही दो जोड़ी कपड़े पहनते हैं वो फिर भी कभी कुछ मांग नहीं करते वो कर सकते हैं वो कुछ भी अपने परिवार के लिए बस एक सपना है उनका पूरा हर सपना अपने बच्चों का करना चाहते उन्हें देखना कामयाब हैं इसलिए शायद कभी गुस्सा हो जाते हैं पर अब जान गई हूँ मैं उस गुस्से के पीछे छुपे प्यार को पापा आप करते हो इतना सब कुछ हमारे लिए तो आज आपका हर एक सपना पूरा करना मेरी ख्वाहिश है बनकर कुछ अपने पैरों पे खड़े होना चाहती हूँ फिर आपको दुनिया घुमाना चाहती हूँ मैं ज़िंदगी को आपकी ज़िंदगी बनाना चाहती हूँ मैं दुखी नहीं देख सकती मैं आपको प्यार से भरी वो नज़रें आपकी गुर से मीठी वो बोली आपकी और आसमान से बड़ा वो दिल आपका है बस कुछ ऐसा करना चाहती हूँ फ़क्र जिससे हो आपको सिर आपका उठ जाए समाज में और आप गर्व से कह सको सबको मेरी बेटी है ये उस दिन का हमेशा इंतज़ार रहेगा पापा आपका हमेशा दीदार रहेगा आई लव यू डैड and I will never let you down. And one day, for sure, I will be successful in my life. I really hope you will love that piece on that. Since for all of us, our parents, like mother and dad, are the most loved ones and most close. So the next piece is on my mom. So here it goes. Okay. The pain you bear was always rare. When I was born, you were almost gone. But with God's grace, we both survived. Thanking for each other's life. A weak girl with several scars was I. A daughter comes there again was the only talk around. But there comes a bad news. Low sugar levels for me, but perfect for you. The mother was terrified because the child was me, then her life. Getting back to normal level, we waited for 7 days in a room. Bindu nursing home was the boom. That I thought was an indication to the presence of my elder sister, Bindya Singla, who became my life. Mom was the one who suffered a lot for our lives. Trying to make us all happy, she never thought of her own happiness. Sometimes being blamed for girl child's birth, but you always supported us, mom. I love you a lot. More than love, hats off to you to raise us with proper care and etiquettes, bringing up the best in us, being one of my friend who is worried about me and my health. But with coming of those difficult times, you always was there for me. I wholeheartedly thank you, mom. I love you a lot. May you both live a long life. Thank you.